we are going to see Ssc Mts model test number 64. So see the first question, simplification. So 111 by 12, what is the value? So 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 11, 23 by 12. So division I am going to written as multiplication. So 18 3s are 54, 54 plus 15, 69, 69 by, but you have to write it reverse now, 18 by 69, 23, 3 times, 3 how many times, 6 how many times, 2 times. So this value is 1 by 2, this value is 1 by 2. Next 5 1 by 3, 16 by 3. Next to multiplication 9 by 4 na, but that is 4 by 9. Any cancellation? This is 16 by 3. This is what na? 4 by 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. 9 by 4 we can written as 4 by 9. Any cancellation? No. Into 1 1 by 3. 4 by 3. But you have to write as 3 by 4. Now cancellation. 4 4s are 3 3s are. So 16 by this value is 16 by 9. Keep aside. Next 4 2 by 3, 14 by 3, 14 by 3. Next to 3 3 by 7, 24 by 7, 1 1 by 7, 8 by 7. But that is 7 by 8. 7 7 get cancelled. 8 3s are 24. So 14. This value is, now tell me Nana finally. So 1 by 9, 1 by 2 minus 16 by 9 minus 9 to LCM is, so 2 18s are 2 9s are 2 9s are 2 9s are. Next 9 how many times Nana? 2 times 32. This is also minus na? Yes. So 18 14 times, 18 10 times 180, 18 4s are 72, 72 plus 180 252, 250. So if you cancel 9, remainder is 20, 23 na, remainder is 23, 23 plus 252 275, 275 by 80. Shall I go for the next question? See the next question. In a marriage, there were 25% men, 45% women, remaining are children. 25, 45, 70, remaining is 30%. 30% is nothing but what? 126. 30% is 126. Here children are 126. Then men are 25%. 3 how many times? Simply otherwise 30% is 126 na, then 100% is what? 3 how many times this one goes? 42 times. 10 into 42 is nothing but 420. Total it is 420. 25% are men. 25% is nothing but 2 times half na, 420 half, 210, 210 half, 105. Female 45% is na, women 45% is on 420, 50% is 210, 5% is 21. If you subtract 21 from 210, 189, 180. No, now if you add total, then you will get 420. Clear na? Now, if there were 40 men who got married, okay, 40 men who got married. Next to the 40 men, 40 women. 40 men got married, 40 women. It's not possible to marry one man, 2 women. Okay. Next, who are present in the party itself. Each couple had exactly 2 children. How many couples are there here? Then how many children? 80 children. Now they're asking what? Then find the total number of persons who are not married. Here how many males not married? 65. How many females not married? 149. And the children whose parents were not present in there. How much Rana? 46. They're asking sum na? This sum only 5 9 14 14 plus 6, 20. So 20, keep aside, 20 plus 60, 20 plus 60, 80 plus 140, 220. 220 plus 40, the answer is 2. First I calculated unit digit, but all unit digits are same. So that is the reason I go for addition. Shall I go for the next question? Next question. Sharmila and her two sisters were born in consecutive years. Do you know consecutive years? So difference is same. Consecutive years and continuous years. Her elder sister was born to her parents after 3 years of their marriage, which was happened in 1997. 1997, her elder sister was born. Her elder sister. That is nothing but 0. All of you clear, Nana? At that time, 1997, her elder sister was born. Now, the present age of Sharmila's mother is how much more than the Sharmila's present age? So, if her mother age at the time of marriage is, marriage happened 1994, na? 3 years before, na? 3 years before is, then 1997, at 1997, mother age is 26. Now, they're asking question is what, Nana? The present age of Sharmila's mother is how much more than the Sharmila's present age? Consider the age with respect to the year 2023. They compared with 2023. Now look at here, all of you. 1997, Sharmila's elder sister born. Yes, her elder sister was born after 3 years of their marriage, which was happened in 1997. Are you clear, Nana? So 1997, her elder sister was born. Her elder sister was born to her parents after 3 years of their marriage, which was, yes, marriage happened at 1997. Marriage happened at 1997, and they're born at 2000. 2000 at 0. This is Sharmila's elder sister. Then next year, 2001, Sharmila born. 2001, Sharmila's age is what? Sharmila's age is 2001. Sharmila's age is 0. Now 2023, Sharmila's age is the present age, na? 2001 0. Then 2023 22. Married at what? 1997. 1997 age is how much? 23. Mother's age is 23. If mother's age is 23, 2023. How many years, Nana? 26 years added, na? If you add 26 years, 40. Mother's age is 14. 49. Now, sister age is what? Sister 20. Now 2021, Sharmila born. Then 2023, two sisters unnar kada, ante Sharmila another sister 2001, another sister is 2002. 2002 ante how many years vastundana? 21 years vastundi. So Sharmila age is, present age is 21, mother's age is 49. Difference is two sisters are there. Elder sister 1, elder sister 2, and Sharmila. Shall I go for the next question? The sum and HCF of two numbers is 1368 and 38. If that number lies between 600 and 750, then find the difference between the numbers. HCF is what, Nana? 38. If HCF is 38, sum is also multiple of 38, difference is also multiple of 38, each and every number is also multiple of 38. Then difference is what? Only one option, 38 multiple. If HCF is 38, each and every number is a multiple of 38, na? Then difference is also multiple of 38. Next, Now they given the difference between the what they given here, the data regarding the degree wise distribution of various expenditures and savings of a person in the year 2001 and 2002 given above charts. In 2001 he earned 60 lakhs, his income increased by 20% in 2002. Here 60 lakhs, here 20% increases is nothing but 72 lakhs na. Are you clear nana? Next question is what? The difference between the monthly expenditure of food. This is annual expenditure. Annual expenditure on food is what? 90 degrees na. Annual expenditure is what? 12-month expenditure is 90 degrees. Monthly expenditure is 7.5. 90 by 12, 7.5 degrees. Clear? And the annual expenditure of clothes. Clothes is how much? 108. 108 plus 7.5, 115.5. 115.5 degrees. In which year nana? 2001. 2001 total it is what? 60 lakhs. To the annual expenditure in the year 2002. Annual expenditure. Saving is not a expenditure na. Remaining all expenditures only. Saving is how much na? 2002. 36 degrees na. If you subtract 36 degrees, remainder is 324 degrees. Expenditure is 324 degrees. Are you clear? 324 degrees is nothing but 90% na. 90% of 72 lakhs. Here this is how much percentage? Approximately 30% is nothing but what na? 108 degrees. 30%. 30% is 108 degrees. How much more? This is 7.5. 7.5 is nothing but 7.2 degrees is nothing but 2%. Therefore, approximately 32%. And the 32% of 60 lakhs. They are asking this difference. Are you clear, Nana? Now tell me, 90% of 72 lakhs. 10% is 7.2 na. So 90 is nothing but 9 into 7.2. 9 sevens are 63. 9.2 is 1.8. 63 plus 1.8. 64.8. And the 64 lakhs 80,000. Next 32% of 60. 30% is nothing but 632 times is how much? 192. And 1 lakh, sorry, 19 lakhs. 19 lakhs 20,000. Difference they are asking. Now if you subtract 19 from 64, 45. And our answer is started with the 45. So which option is there? Approximately. Okay, Nana? Approximately 45 lakhs. They are asking difference only. They are asking difference only. Next question. A cone is cut by two parallel planes into 3 parts such that the height from the base becomes 3 parts in the ratio of 1:2:3. And the radius of the cone is 21. The ratio of volume of the smaller cone to the formed original cone. One cone is there. This is original cone. This is what, Anna? Original cone. This original height is what? 3 parts. Original height is what? From here to here height is, for example, 3 parts, 3h. Are you clear? Next to total, I am going to take it as 3. Here, this is not, they are cutting. They are cutting at 1 part, they are cutting at 2 parts, they are cutting at 3 parts. All of you clear, Nana? I am taking total parts. 6 parts only. Here I am taking total height, I am considered as 3h. Are you clear? 3h. Then it is very easy for you where you have to cut. Are you clear, Nana? Next, you are cutting at 1 part, na? 1 part is nothing but here height is nothing but what? 1h. Here to here 1h. Next cut is what happened? 2 parts. Then here to here height is what? 2h. Now you have to take, no problem. Are you clear, Nana? Now you have to take total 6 parts. This is 6, this is 4, this is 2. No problem at all. All of you clear, Nana? Nana, if you observe carefully here, smaller height, smaller cone height is one part, na? Larger cone height is 3 parts, na? They're asking volume na, volume. It's not possible 1/3 na, it's not possible 1/3. Total it is 3 parts. Total it is 3 parts. 3 parts is nothing but 6. 2 parts is nothing but 1 part is nothing but 2. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi is constant only for any smaller cone or bigger cone. So depends upon h as well as r is also. This original cone radius is 21. Therefore corresponding radius is also reduced na. Therefore volume, smaller cone is nothing but this cone to the total cone is very bigger difference is there na. See the options, where is the bigger difference? 1:8. So no need to solve. If you want solve, you have to calculate small r1, you have to calculate r2, and r3 we know that is what? 21. And you have to take similar triangles, ratio. It will take some time. No need to take. All of you clear nana? That అంత టైం మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో ఉండదు. ఫార్ములాస్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఒరిజినల్ ప్రొసీజర్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే అంత టైం ఉండదు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇన్ ద గివెన్ ఫిగర్ AB is perpendicular to BC. Therefore here angle is what? 90 degrees. DA is perpendicular to AB. This angle is 90 degrees. Next, D is perpendicular to AC. D is perpendicular to AC. Here is 90 degrees. Now, just observe carefully here. AD is equal to how much? 3.5. AE is equal to how much? AC is equal to how much? AC 8. AC is what? 8. Now, any other value? Nana? No part. See here. We need what? AB. We need what? If you observe carefully here, ABC triangle and AED triangle is similar triangles na, because corresponding angles are equal. Clear? Now no need to take ratio. Simple thing. This is how many parts na? This goes 7 table na. 3 times, 5 times, 8 times na. But that is 0.8. If you cancel 7.3 times 7.8 na. That corresponding side is what? This one na 8. 8 into 0.8. 8 into 0.8. Therefore this is what? 6.8. So where 6.48 is what? We need AB only. So కొంతమంది రేషియోస్ తీసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సర్కట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో డైరెక్ట్ వాల్యూ 3 parts 5 parts 0.3 0.5 0.8 parts 0.8 into 8. Next ana, in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, DF is parallel to BE. If angle DFA is equal to 88, angle AED is equal to 70, angle AB is equal to 68, then measure of angle A. So take triangle ABC. DE is parallel to BC. Next, DF is parallel to BE. If you extend this one like this, are you clear Nana? These two are parallel lines. DF is parallel to BE. If angle DFA, this angle is how much? This angle is how much Nana? 70. Sorry, 88. This angle is how much? 88. Next, angle AED. Angle AED. This angle is how much? How much? 70 degrees. Next, ABE. This angle is how much Nana? 60. They're asking what? If you observe carefully here, all of you, these two are parallel lines na. These two are parallel lines na. Do you know parallel lines transversal theorem? Corresponding angles are equal. If this is 68, this is also. We know already this angle na 88. ADF is a triangle na. ADF is a triangle. One angle is 88, one angle is 68. So total sum is 180 degrees na. Then remaining is how much? For 80 this is how much less? For 90 this is how much less? For 90 this is how much less? 22. 22 plus 2, 24. No need to 180 minus 88 plus 2, 68. No need to do that one. For 80 this is 2 less. For 80 this is 22. 22 plus 2, 24. Right away. Are you clear, Nana? కొంతమంది 180 minus 68 plus ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసి how much you are getting? 140, 156. Then subtract. You will get same thing, na? So no need to do. No need to do. All of you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? See here. A water tap fills a tub in K hours and a sink at the bottom empties in J hours. And one it is filling pipe, another one it is emptying pipe. K less than J. Underline this one. Underline this one. And the J value is more. J value is more. Now one it is filling pipe, another one it is emptying pipe. J is more than K. J is more than K. Whenever one is filling pipe, another one is emptying pipe, we will get negative value, na? And our answer is, our equation in terms of negatives. Which option is there? First option to second option. Are you clear, Nana? Now which value is more here? J is more, K is more. J is more. Then J minus K or K minus J? T is time, Nana. T is time. Okay, Nana? So J is more, K is more. And J minus K is possible, K minus J is possible. Your answer is first. So no need to solve the entire equation. If you solve, that will take some time, and that will be a circus. Are you clear, Nana? So in the competitive exams, we need to attack directly. Shall I go for the next question? How many numbers less than 15,000, which when divided by 24, 60 leaves the remainders 20 and 56 respectively? So whenever you are dividing with 24, remainder is what, Nana? 20. And whenever you are dividing with 60, remainder is what? 56. These are the divisors, these are the remainders. What is the common what is the common difference? What is the common difference? That will be equivalent to K. So we need to find out LCM of 24, 60 minus K. K is the how much? 4. 24 plus 24, 60 LCM is 120. It goes 12 table maximum, smallest number goes 2 times of 60, 120. LCM is 120. 120 minus 6, 116. So in 15,000, how many 116s are possible? 116, how many times are 150? 1 time. So our answer is start with 1. Are you clear, Nana? 116, 1 that's 116. Remainder is 34, 340. It goes how many times? Approximately 30 times, na? And 129. It's not possible 170, na? Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Next one. Question number is what? Question number 10, na? 10. Simplification only. Simplification only, na? Now see here. 16 by 72. 16 by 72. 16 by 72. Next 8 by 27. But we can written as 27 by 8 minus 3 and half 7 by 2 into 7 by 3 na, sorry, 7 by 3 na, that is nothing but 3 by 7. Next first of all, you have to calculate this value, na, half value. Half value is nothing but what, na? 4 by 5 into 21 by 16. 4 4s are, na, 21 by 20. Then previous one 10 by 3 into 21 by 20, na, 20 by into fraction is what, na, 2 what? 2 1 by 12, na, 2 1 by 2 we can written as 25 by 12, that is 12 by 25. Now how much we are getting, tell me, any table? So 25, 8 times 200, are you clear, Nana? 3 1s are 3 4s are 32 by 21, that is addition only. 32 by 20, 7 7 get cancelled, 8 2s are 9 3s are 9 8s are 2 4s are 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 32 by 21. LCM, Nana, 2 is there in 4, 21 times 84. So see the options, which denominator is 84. So no need to go for the numerator. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Question number 11. Now here, the average of 3 alternative even numbers. 3 alternative even numbers. 3 alternative even numbers. All of you clear, Nana? Average is what? This is 28. This is what, Nana? 28. Now this is 28. Alternative even numbers anadu kada. Now this value is what? Remaining numbers is what? And the remaining numbers is 30. All the numbers remaining values is 30. Then this is how much, Nana? 28. They given average of 3 alternative even numbers is 28. If this is 28, this previous one is 26. This one is 30. And remaining 3 numbers is 30. If that is 30, yeah, 3 numbers is nothing but average is the middle number, na? If this is 30, previous number is previous number. 30 previous number. 30 after then. If you write in descending order, tell me descending order. 32, 30, 30, 2 30s are there. 28, 20, 28. Are you clear, Nana? So if you write in descending order, what is the average? What is the middle 2 numbers average? Middle 2 numbers average is consecutive even numbers is nothing but they are in arithmetic progression. 3 is a odd number, therefore exact middle number will be the average. 28 is the middle number. For these 3 numbers, middle number is this one, na? Are you clear, Nana? Middle number will be the average. After writing, arrange them in descending order. Shall I go for the next question? Next question number is what, Nana? 12. Now see the 12th question. A jar was full with honey. A person used to draw 60% of the honey from the jar and replace it with sugar solution. Has repeated the same process 3 times. And thus there was only 512 grams of the honey left in the jar. The rest part of the jar was filled with sugar solution. The initial amount of honey in the jar was filled with sugar solution. The initial amount of honey in the jar was how much? This is mixtures or allegations question, replacement type. So finally, how much honey is there in the jar? 512 grams. 512, that is equal to how much left is there is equal to x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. This is replacement type. Yes or no? X we need to find out. X value we need to find out. Y by x. How much percentage we are taking? 60% is nothing but 3 by 5 na. 60% is nothing but 3 by 5 na. 1 minus 3 by 5 is nothing but 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into how many times like that? 3 times. X value we need to find out. Tell me 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Total is 8 na. 8 how many times na? 64 times. 5 into 5 into 5. 125 64 times. 8,000. 8,000 grams is nothing but 8 kg. 125 64 times. 125 into 64 నానా, హౌ మచ్ నానా? 8000 కదా? చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు నానా. 12.5 కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే 12.5 into 8 అంటే 100 వస్తుంది. అందుకని ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 8000 వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ చేయక్కర్లేదు. 12.5 అంటే 1/8 అనే ఫ్రాక్షన్ టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది. క్లియర్ అన్నా? నో నీడ్ టు మల్టిప్లై. ఇఫ్ యూ మల్టిప్లై ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 13th question. The area of the parallelogram is 392. What is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height na? Base into height. And it's one of the side. One of the side is nothing but base. 28 root 2 into h is equal to 390. 28 how many times na? 28 ones are 28. 28 4s are 28 ones are 28. Remember is 11. 112. 28 4s are 112. Yes or not? And h is equal to what? 7 root 2 na? 14 we can take as 7 into 2 na? 2 we can take as root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled. Remember is 7 root 2. H is equal to 7 root 2. Height of the parallelogram is decreased to 2 by 7 times. Decreased to 2 by 7 times. And 7 root 2 into 2 by 7. That is nothing but 7 get cancelled na? That is nothing but new height is what? New height is what? 2 root 2. Next. Decreased to, not decreased by. Decreased to is different. Decreased by is different. Decreased to 2 by 7 times. If they given decreased by 2 by 7 times, then remaining is 5 by 7. Increased to increased by. Decreased to they given. Are you clear nana? 2 by 7 decreased to 2 by 7 times of original height. Original height is 7 root 2. Now then the area is reduced by how much? Now tell me nana. So 2 root 2 into base is same na? Base is how much nana? 28 root 2. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. 2 into 2. 4 into 28. 112. They're asking how much reduced. Previous area is, now new area is how much reduced? 280. Are you clear? లేదంటే మీరు ఇదంతా చేయకుండా కూడా డైరెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. డైరెక్ట్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే బేస్ షుడ్ బి సేమ్ నా? బేస్ డజంట్ చేంజ్ నా? ఏరియా ఒరిజినల్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ హౌ మచ్? 392. 2 by 7 reduced. Directly how to reduce the height? 2 by 7 times of 392. 7 how many times? 7 5s are 35. 7. So 256 times 112. If you subtract 112, direct good change. All of you clear nana? Shall I go for the next question? The cost price of two products A and B are in the ratio 5:4. Product A sold at 10% profit and product B sold at 160 rupees at a loss of 20%. If the cost price of product A is increased by 50%, cost price of product B increased by 40%, then the cost price of product A is approximately 1% more or less than the cost price of product B. Now look at it here, all of you. Cost prices ratio they given now. Cost price of A is how much? Cost price of B is 4 parts. Now product A is sold at 10% profit now. Simply here I am going to take 500 to 400, no problem at all. Or otherwise B, about B they given na. Product B sold at what na? 160. Loss is 20%. Loss is nothing but 80% is nothing but 160 na. Then 100% is nothing but 200. 100% is nothing but how much? Then 4 parts is 200 na. Then 5 parts is 250. Are you clear? Next, the cost price of product A is increases by 50%. 50% is nothing but 125. It become 375. Next, cost price of B is increased by 40%, that is 280. Then the cost price of product A is approximately what percent more or less than the cost price of B? They compared with B now. Compared with B. After that, which person is coming, that person you have to keep in the denominator. And wherever they ask more or less, you have to go for difference. Difference is how much? 95 is how much percentage of 280? So circle jasra. 10% is how much? 30% is 84 na. And our answer is more than 30. It's not possible 31. 30% is 84 only. Our answer is far away to 30. Because 30% is 84. If you add 1%, 1% is nothing but only 2.8. It's not possible to get 95. 31 it's not possible. Your answer is 34. No need to go for into 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. With 2 table, 3 table, no need to do that circus. All of you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? How many numbers less than 15,000? Already completed, na? Which question is there? Next one? 15. 16. 15 already completed. 16. Okay. Next. Shani travels 300 kilometers partly by and partly by. She takes 4 hours to reach. She travels 60 kilometers by car and rest by train. She will take 10 minutes more. If she travels 100 kilometers by car and rest by train, the speed of the train is what? Now, if you observe carefully here, all of you, they are asking speed of the train. Total distance is how much? 300. She traveled 60 kilometers by car. Na? The remaining is what? 240. We need a train speed. Na? Train distance is 240. Therefore, our train speed should be multiple to 240. That is the reason. Multiple to 240. How many options are there? 3 are there. Try with 80. Try with 80. If it is train speed is 80, train distance is 240 na. 240 by 80. Car speed. How many hours? 3 hours na. Then car 60 kilometers in 1 hour na. Car speed is 60. Total is 4 hours. Are you clear? Satisfied or not? Now take the second statement. She will take 10 minutes more if she travels 100 kilometers by car. 100 by car speed is 60. Remaining distance is how much? 200 by 80. Now look at here, all of you. This is 2.5 hour. This is 2.5 hour. This is 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is nothing but 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is nothing but 1 2 by 3. 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. Together is 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours 10 minutes. You are taking 10 minutes extra na. So your answer is what? Sir, why you are taking only 80, sir? 60 is also 240 multiple, sir. But total time is what? 4 hours. Time is very less na. Therefore, speed must and should be very high. That is the reason you have to start with a higher speed. Because time is less. Are you clear, Nana? If you travel with more speed, then only it is possible less time. Shall I go for the next question? Next question. Ram has a road map with a scale of 1.9 centimeters for 24 kilometers. He drives on the road for 2688 kilometers. What would be the approximate distance covered in his map? For 24 kilometers, how much scale is there? 1.9 centimeters. Now we need 2688 kilometers. How much scale we need to use? 24 how many times, Nana? 24 ones are 24. Remainder is 28. 24 ones are 24. Remainder is 48. 112. So 112 times of 1.9 na. Approximately this is 2 na. 2 into 112. 224. Approximately 224. Not 224. 213 is also there na. So 224 minus 112 0.1 times na. For 2 that is 0.1 less na. That is nothing but 11.2. Difference is how much na? 112 into 2, 224 minus 112 into 0.1, that is 11.2. If you subtract 11 from 224, 213. Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? Series question they given. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 we can written as 1 into 4. 4 we can written as 1 into 4. Denominator, see denominators. 36 we can written as 4 into 9. 144 we can written as 9 into 16. Are you clear? 400 we can written as 16 into 25. 900 we can written as 25 into 36. 1764 we can written as 36 into 49. Are you clear, Nana? Now keep one aside. Just forget about that one. We'll add last. We'll add just end. 3 by 4 you can written as 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4 only. Are you clear? Similarly, 5 by 36 na, I am going to written as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. LCM is 36. 4 9s are 9 4s are 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. 5 by 36 only. Similarly write remaining. 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16. Next to, tell me fast. 1 by 16 minus, next to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 36. Next 1 by 36 minus 1 by, that is the last one na? Now 36, 36, 25, 25. First to last term only remainder. All get cancelled. Starting 1 is then a starting. 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 40. Simply you can write as 2 minus 1 by 49 na. 49 2s are 98 minus 1, 97 by, your answer is second option. Shall I go for the next question? A man borrowed some money from a private organization 5% per annum, simple interest. He lent this money to another person at 20% compound interest. He made a profit of 34,000 in 2 years. The man borrowed from the organization is what? 2 years na? He borrowed 5% simple interest na? 2 years simple interest is nothing but 10% na? 2 years simple interest is nothing but 10% na? Compound interest 20% na? First year 20%, second year 20% plus 20% of 20%, 4, and the total it is what? 44%. I borrowed at simple interest, I lended at 44%. The difference is my profit na? 34% na? 34% is nothing but 34,000 na? Principal is nothing but 100% is 1 lakh. 2 years, simple interest is 10, compound interest is 44. Difference is 34%. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? A piece of land comes to a person for 4,55,000 through 3 middlemen. Each got 40% profit and 50% loss and 30% profit. The original cost of the land was how much? Original cost I don't know. I assume as 100. First person got how much profit? 40%. 40% of 100. 40% of 100. 40. It become second person how much loss? 50% is nothing but 70. The remaining is third person is getting 30% profit. 30% is nothing but 21. It become 90. But according to our problem, 455. Forget about zeros. 3 zeros are there. Forget about zeros. 91. How many times 455? 5 times of 100. 5 times of 100. 500. 3 zeros already. So this is all about today's MTS math explanation. Thank you.